Hi, welcome again. My name is Andre John and welcome to Play Drums Easy Way. So for this segment, we're going to be looking at reggae. Reggae is actually between, you would find the top 10 or the top 12 genres in the world. Alright, so reggae plays a very, very important part, and here I am in Jamaica. I'm originally from Trinidad and Tobago, but I live here in Jamaica, and so we're going to be looking at some reggae rhythm. We're also going to be looking at some DJ. Later on, we're going to be looking at soca, calypso, etc., etc., etc. So, reggae. Alright, the foundation of reggae is very simple. Very, very simple. To me, it's one of the easiest beats, but it carries a very strong message in it. So it is called a one-drop rhythm. One drop meaning, everything drops on 3. Okay, on 3. That means your hi-hat, your snare, and your bass drum all drop on 3. And so the difference with reggae is that they don't necessarily play, well, now reggae has been infused with all different type of genres and different styles of music. But I'm going back to the hardcore, the one-drop rhythm. Alright? They don't necessarily play the snare like this. What they actually play is the rim of the drums. Alright? The rim of the drum. And that carries a very, very strong, message with it. Now some persons play like this, some persons turn their stick around and play like this. Alright? But there's a certain sound that you want to get. Alright? You don't want, that's not what you want. That's not what you want. That is what you want. Alright? So you can check your stick. You understand? That is not what you want. That is not what you want. That is what you want. Okay? And so, very simple. So your hi-hat, you are playing 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And your snare and your bass drum plays on 3. Very simple. So it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the foundation, right? The foundation again. The hi-hat. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your snare and your bass drum plays on 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Very easy. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to improvise, or we're going to add some additional beats on the hi-hat, alright, on the snare, but the bass drum will remain the same, alright, and so we're going to take this step by step, and you're going to see the beautiful thing that we actually come up with at the end of this rhythm. So, we're going to add an additional beat on the hi-hat, so we're going to play 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. get that, the snare drum and the bass drum, right, will continue on 3 and 4. So let's put them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, take it. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, take it. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, take it. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, take it. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, take it. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, take it. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, take it. Wonderful. So let's put them both together, all right, as we look at reggae, all right? Take it slow. One more time. All right. Thank you for joining. Remember to like, share, subscribe. All right. Thank you so much for joining.